Why should Filipina marry a foreigners? For today's video, yun yung title guys. For today's video, why Filipina or Pinay marry a foreigner? So, sa mga bago pa sa aking YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the notification bell, subscribe, and share. And comment below kung meron kayong mga question, clarification, and suggestion. Thank you so much and please tune in this vlog. Okay, why should Filipina marry a foreigner? In my other video, why Filipina choose why should foreigner marry a Filipina? In this video is the other round. Why Filipina should marry a foreigner? Sorry na lang sa mga Pinoy na nakikinig. Sabay ganun. Pinalitan ko yung yung hawakan ko kasi nagaganon pala siya, nagwi-wave. So, nagkakrak-krak siya. So, ito na lang kasi medyo mabigat siya. Okay, so, why should Filipina marry a foreigner? Pinamarket mo ba yung Pinay ngayon sa mga foreigner? Bakit? Bakit? Okay. So, bakit nga ba? So, I speak most of the time Tagalog siguro kasi ito ay para sa mga Pinay naman,
nice.
diba? So, and some foreigner naman ay marunong na magtagalog. So, magtatagalog ako dahil yung aking English naman ay hindi naman talaga matuwid. Ayan, and because of my minsan parang nabubulol ako. Okay, as na naintindihan nyo ako, okay lang yan. Magkakaintindihan tayo dito. So, why Filipina should marry a foreigner? Una-una guys, not in a good looking. This is already given. Okay, I don't tackle this one. So, we go deeper their attitude or their culture, their characteristic. So, doon tayo pupunta. Dahil yung good looking is already, I said, is already given. So, why Filipino choose a foreigner to be your husband? Because foreigners, they have a lot of money. Joke. Hindi guys, sorry lang, hindi yung totoo. Not all is have a lot of money or so why should Filipino marry a foreigner? Bakit nga ba? Okay. Based sa experience ko dahil sinasabi ko na meron akong foreign husband. First guys, that you should marry a foreigner because their love is so genuine. Genuine or genuine? It's not fake. Oh, really? Yeah, based guys in my experience, really, I never met this kind of person ever in my life. Na yung love na parang i-compare mo na siya sa love ni God na they can sacrifice a lot because of this love para sa iyo. Oh, so amazing.
So nice.
Yan. And I think the love that pinapakita sa atin, sa ating mga Pinay, this is really true and genuine. It's not fake. So, maybe, or I don't know. It's up to you. So, may ganun. Magawa lang ako dito ng content. And sinishare ko lang yung aking experience. Hindi, guys. Totoo. If this foreigner, pinapakita niya na love ka is really love, and they can send you money without seeing you or without na hindi ka pa niya nakita. Kaya niyang bigyan ka ng pera, 'di ba? So, did you know Pinoy na nagpapadala sa'yo ng pera, hindi ka pa niya nakita? I think this only happen in foreigners, right? Very common, but not common in Pinoy, right? So, pag love ka talaga ng foreigner, kaya niyang mag-sacrifice. So, why should not marry a foreigner? 'Di ba? Oh, ikaw nakikinig, nag-isip ka rin, no? What else? Ano pa ba kayang ibigay ng foreigner sa inyo? They can give you a travel. Aangal yung mga Pinoy dyan. Hindi naman, guys. So, foreigner, they have an attitude to save, not the same with the Pinoy. So, nagsisave sila for travel, for emergency, and everything. So, in short, they know how to handle finances. Yun, yung namin ko. Grabe naman kayo, nag-react na kayo agad. So, foreigner is a very good in handle and finances. So, why should we marry or to have a foreign husband? Because of this, they know how to budget in terms of money. They know how to handle this. So, this is based on my experience, guys, ha. Kung yung foreigner nyo ay walang alam dyan, hindi ko kasalanan yan. Natakit ko lang dito, why Filipina must choose a foreign husband. So, dahil dito. So, kayo na ang
Yeah, baby, just leave it all to me. Your worry, satisfaction, I just wanna make you happy. Rolling in a caddy while I'm rubbing your thighs. Looking you in your eyes, knowing I won the prize. I'm here to celebrate you, elevate you. I love to taste you.